You've arrested and detained so many people in relation to this coup attempt that you've had to announce the release of 38,000 convicts from prison on early parole, haven't you? Because you need to make space in prison.
Clearly, you've read too much of Gulen's
No,
crap.
that's the Wall Street Journal reporting that. Is the Wall Street Journal the Gulen?
Listen.
Well, okay, let me ask you this for our viewers. Have you announced the early release of 38,000 convicts to make space in prison for all the people you're rounding up as part of this crackdown? Yes or no?
Yes, but...
So I haven't been reading any propaganda, that's true.
No. I was referring to your earlier statements.
Oh, the Amnesty Internationalist propaganda from Gulen.
What I'm trying to say is this. The Justice Ministry has responded to all of those allegations. We live in a world where news gets disseminated over social media without checking the facts, and everybody basically jumps on the bandwagon and begins to use. So that doesn't necessarily
but let's deal with the prison bit. How do you justify releasing actual proven criminals, 38,000, to make way for people who haven't been tried, found guilty of any crime yet?
Every country, after you serve a certain period of time, you can release them with some sort of controls. That is part of any justice system in many countries. These are petty crimes. What we are referring here, of course, you have one of the most vicious, violent coup attempt, a real threat to Turkish democracy, rule of law. Every country has the right to mitigate the risks, and that's a part of strategy.